Let us learn how to find out the root of the equation, which may be algebraic or transcendental equation, using the Newton's method. Newton's method is also called as Newton's Raphson method, and this method is very similar to regular falsy method except the formula that we use to find out the root. Here the formula is xi plus 1 is equal to xi minus f of xi divided by f dash of xi. In regular falsy method, we will be using two values a and b, and then we will be finding out f of a and f of b. So the formula is based on these four values. Here, to find out the approximated value in each step, we will be using the previous approximated value. Here, xi is the previous approximate value minus, on substituting this xi in the given function, f of xi is obtained, and when you differentiate this f of xi, you will be getting f dash of xi. So these are the values needed to find out the approximate value. Here the equation is x cube equal to 6x minus 4, and it is mentioned that it is correct to 5 decimal places. Let us see how to solve this equation using the Newton's method. Let us take this as an equation first now, which is f of x is equal to x cube. When you bring 6x minus 4 to the left hand side, it becomes minus 6x plus 4, which is equal to 0. Now let us substitute the value of x. Let us use calculator to find out the value. Here the equation is x cube. So press x cube minus 6x plus 4, press calc button, and it is asking for x value. The initial x value is 0 now. So press 0 equal to. The answer is 4. So f of 0 equal to 4, which is a positive value. Next, substitute the value of x as 1. Again press CALC button. It asks for x value. It is 1 now. The answer is minus 1. It is negative. So in the first two steps itself, we have got the two opposite signs, which is 4 and minus 1. Here it gives the conclusion that root lies between x value is 0, so it is 0 and 1. Here we have to take any one among this as the initial value, either 0 or 1. So which one to take as the initial value means you consider the f of x value. Here x value and f of x. So when the x value is 0, we got the answer as 4 here, and when x value is 1, the function's value is minus 1. So when you see these two values, the value which is nearer to 0 is this minus 1 only. So let us take this 1 as the initial value. Consider the function's value. So among this, whichever is closer to 0, the respective x value will be taken as the initial value. Here we are taking this as x naught. We need f of xi and f dash of xi. It is given that f of x is equal to x cube minus 6x plus 4. And we have to find out the differentiation of this, which is f dash of x. And we know the differentiation formula, d by dx of x power n. The answer is n into x power n minus 1. Here the value of x cube is, n is 3 here, so 3 into x power 3 minus 1, which is 3x square. Similarly, differentiation of a into x, where a is the coefficient of x. In this case, the answer is a. Here we have minus 6. So differentiation of minus 6x equal to minus 6. So these are the differentiated value. So this equation becomes 3x square minus 6. Let us apply all these values to get the approximated value. The first value is x0 plus 1, which is equal to x0 minus, so f of x means it is x cube minus 6x plus 4 divided by f dash of x is 3x square minus 6. To find out the answer of x0 plus 1, that is x1, we are going to substitute the values. This formula can be entered in the calculator to find out the solution. So x minus, open the bracket, x cube minus 6x plus 4, close the bracket, divided by, open the bracket, 3x square minus 6, close the bracket. After typing the formula, press CALC to fix this formula in the calculator. Now it is asking for x value. So enter the values. It is 1 minus 1 cube minus 6 into 1 plus 4 divided by 3 into 1 square minus 6. The answer is, so give the x value as 1 equal to. The answer is 1. But here in our question they have asked it to correct to 5 decimal places. So change the mode and fix the decimal values as 5. You can see the value of x1 is 0.66667. This is the x1 value. So enter the approximated values in the tabular column. Initially x0 value is taken as 1. Now we'll find out x2. x2 equal to, we know, x1 minus f of x1 minus, divided by f dash of x1. Just substitute the values, it is enough. We got the value of x1 as 0. This value. It is 0.66667 minus x1 is 0.6667 the whole cube minus 6 into 0. Plus 4 divided by 3 into whole square minus 6. Already we have entered this formula in the calculator. Simply press CALC, which asks for the x value, and give it as 0.66667 and press equal to. Now the value of x2 is obtained as 0.73016. It is the new approximated value, and enter this in the tabular column. 0.73016. Next step is finding the next approximated value x3. So until we get the repeated value, we will be continuing this process. Give the new approximated value 0.73016. The value is shown there, which is x3. Now you can see the value that we have obtained is 0.73205, which is repeated. So at the fourth iteration, when you get x4, the value is repeated, which shows that this is the exact root of the given equation, x cube minus 6x plus 4. Therefore, the root of x cube minus 6x plus 4 is 0.73205.